Okay, let us look at some of the important attributes of NumPy arrays. Okay, we have seen one attribute already. Okay, what do you think it is? It is D type. The D type which describes the data type of the elements of the array. Look at the other attributes that are of relevant to us. The first one is dimension. Okay, that is ndim. Ndim represents the number of dimensions or axes of the array. That is A. Okay, we had created an array A. Okay, as this A equal to np dot array 1 2 3. Okay, A dot ndim gives me 1, that is it's a vector. Okay, whereas if I create an array of 2 dimensions 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, B is a 2-dimensional array. B dot ndim returns me 2. Okay, because B is a 2-dimensional array, whereas A is a single-dimensional array, or it's a vector. B is a matrix, whereas A is a vector. So this is the first attribute of NumPy arrays, that is ndim. Okay. Second attribute is shape. ndarray dot shape. Shape is a tuple of integers representing the size of each of the ND array in each dimension. Okay. The array A that we just created is a vector, so it's a tuple indicating the shape as 3, whereas B's shape is it's a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, it's a 2-dimensional array, and the shape of array is 3 by 3. Okay, that is we have created A, and shape of A will be 3, whereas the shape of B will be 3 by 3 because it's a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. The third attribute is type. Okay. This we have already seen. ndarray dot D type. D type tells the data type of the elements of a NumPy array. And in NumPy array, all the elements have to be of the same data type, essentially because NumPy arrays are same as C-style arrays. Okay. So the array that we just created, its D type is int32 because we did not specify while creating the array, we did not specify the D type. So by default, the D type of A will be int32. Similarly, we did not specify any data type for B, so the D type of B will also be int32. Whereas if I say D equals np dot array 1 2 3 D type as int16, then the D type of D will obviously be int16, that is 2 bytes for each element. So these are 3 attributes, that is ndim, shape, and D type. First one gives me the dimension, second one gives me the shape in each dimension, and the D type gives me the data type of each element of the array.